Google Chrome is undoubtedly one of the most popular web browsers, known for its speed, security, and user-friendly interface. For beginners venturing into the world of tech or those seeking a hassle-free web browsing experience, Google Chrome MSI, Microsoft Installer, is the perfect choice. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the process of downloading Chrome using the MSI installer and explore its benefits for beginners. What is Google Chrome MSI? Google Chrome MSI is a specialized installer designed for easy deployment and management of Google Chrome on Windows devices. Unlike the standard X installer, MSI offers advanced customization options and the ability for IT administrators to silently install and update Chrome across multiple systems, making it ideal for businesses and organizations. Benefits of Google Chrome MSI for beginners. User-friendly installation. Chrome MSI's user-friendly interface simplifies the installation process, making it accessible to beginners. With just a few clicks, you can have Google Chrome up and running on your Windows device. Seamless updates. Chrome MSI automatically updates the browser, ensuring you always have the latest features and security patches without any manual effort. Enhanced security. Google Chrome is known for its robust security features, and with MSI, you can rest assured that your browser will be up to date with the latest security enhancements. Faster performance. Chrome's efficient design and automatic updates contribute to its fast performance, providing a smooth and efficient browsing experience. Customization options. With Chrome MSI, you can customize installation settings to fit your preferences, ensuring you get the best out of your browsing experience. How to download Google Chrome MSI for beginners. Downloading Google Chrome MSI is a straightforward process. Follow these steps. Visit the official Google Chrome website at www.google.com/Chrome and click on the Download Chrome button. Look for the Download Chrome MSI link, usually located under the Chrome Browser for Enterprise section. Click on the Download Chrome MSI link to access the MSI installer package. Save the MSI file to your preferred location on your computer. Double-click on the downloaded MSI file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions, and within a few minutes, Google Chrome will be installed on your Windows device. Optimizing your Chrome MSI experience. Once you have Google Chrome MSI installed, there are a few additional tips to optimize your browsing experience. Sync your account. Sign in with your Google account to sync your bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history across devices. Explore extensions. Chrome's extensive library of extensions allows you to personalize your browsing experience with tools and features that suit your needs. Stay updated. Chrome MSI's automatic updates ensure you have the latest security patches and features. Always keep your browser up to date for the best performance and security. Use Google services. Take advantage of Google services like Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Docs for a seamless integration with your browsing activities. Google Chrome MSI download is a game-changer for beginners and users seeking a smooth and secure web browsing experience on Windows devices. Its user-friendly installation, automatic updates, enhanced security, and fast performance make it an ideal choice for all users. Follow the steps provided to download Google Chrome MSI and unlock the full potential of this popular web browser. Enjoy your effortless browsing journey with Google Chrome MSI.